Welcome to Pearson's MyCloud. Over the next few minutes, this video will walk you through the basic steps on how to set up your calendar and create an event. The very first time you set up your calendar, you will click on the Calendar tab and then go through 4 simple steps of setting up your settings. Click on the Calendar tab now. Once you have clicked the Calendar tab, you will now be prompted to establish your settings. The first one is to establish your default language. Once you have selected English, click the Next box. Click Next now. The next setting is your time zone. Select the appropriate time zone for your current location and click Next now. This next step establishes your reminders about pre-scheduled events. You are able to schedule a pop-up reminder, or you can have a text message sent to a mobile number. Choose your preference and set your default minutes. Once you have done that, click Next. Once you get to this screen, you have completed the initial steps of creating your settings. You are now ready to use your calendar. Click Start Using Calendar now. Don't forget that every time your calendar is launched, it appears as a separate tab on your menu bar. In order to activate your menu, you must click the Calendar tab. Click there now. And since you clicked the Calendar tab, you have now activated your calendar page. Notice the top of the screen, the different tab for Calendar as opposed to Inbox. On this screen, you will notice off to the left-hand side is the Create a New Event button, as well as on the right-hand side is a Settings icon. Click to create a new event now. We are now ready to create our first event. You will notice on this screen you are able to title the event, set the date and time, invite guests off to the right-hand side, add a description, and identify if on your calendar you will be shown as busy or available. Once you have named your event and set the date and time parameters, you are ready to save it. Click Save now. You will now see that once your event has been created, it now appears on your calendar. So in just a few simple steps, we have created an event and it is now live on your calendar. Should you require additional assistance or want further documentation, please visit the MyCloud Neo site at neo.pearson.com/mycloud for additional resources.